huge part of Boeing's problem is that they succeeded in driving down wages in their factories and de-skilling the jobs. It wasn't simply ill-advised for Boeing to push design work out to suppliers so they could have fewer design engineers in-house. They wanted to get rid of the negotiating power their factory workers had. The way things used to work when production and engineering were co-located, institutional knowledge flourished through informal contacts. In other words, the factory workers knew what they were doing and why, and the smooth functioning of the factory depended on this knowledge. Since the age of Jack Welch acolytes running Boeing, the number of people with 6 years of experience at Boeing factories has dropped precipitously. That's knowledge that's no longer in the building. Making commercial airliners is not like making plumbing fixtures. Boeing, when it's up and running at capacity, can make 70 or 80 units of their product per month, a little over 2 a day. Lamborghini makes more handcrafted cars per day than Boeing does airplanes, and that means that statistical process control is applicable to only parts of Boeing's production. The rest relies on inspection and factory workers who know how to do their jobs. Past CEOs succeeded at reducing costs through outsourcing and de-skilling, but it turned out to be a Pyrrhic victory. The Boeing Machinists Union knows very well that it has Boeing over a barrel. The new CEO faces the challenge of convincing Boeing employees that he's not an adversary, but a leader. His predecessors set the wrong example and have made that job a lot more difficult.